Babe, we do not have time to stop and get food. we have snacks. Are you really hungry? Are you that hungry? Are you pointing at me?
Yes.
Is this green light on?
Yes.
You're not going to be able to film in here.
So today we are going to be filming the Hog Island. Got a good buddy of mine who's going to take us over there, and we've got some family history and things like that, and we're in search of the mysterious graveyard.
Well, I hope we don't destroy your viewership.
Mark, where are we going today?
We're going to go beat around here, Hog Island, maybe Harbor Island, weather permitted.
Yeah, at least it didn't breeze up.
Yeah, of course. When there were homes here, why not be the highest land you can be?
Got a piece of what looks like a potbelly stove that I found in the sand. Probably from the remnants of maybe my ancestors. Could be from an old hunting camp too. There were remnants from an earlier civilization, but not many. Anyone who knows me knows I'm an explorer, so this is all awesome to me. I love finding new stuff. I know somebody else has seen this stuff before, but it's the first time I'm seeing it, so I'm pretty excited about it.
If you notice the rounding details in it, it's indicative of headstone, you know, grave.
This, I don't know if you can see this. This is most likely a graveyard. You can see the indention. Literally, the indention is like the size of a person, about 6, maybe like a casket, a wooden casket. And you can see there, this is probably a headstone here, but it's just a like what would be a ballast stone looking stone here. And then of course a stone here, stone there, indention there. Probably a graveyard here.
As before, more ballast stones. However, right in there, they're arranged in circular fashion.
Hog Islanders began settling in the area near the early 1700s, but were gone by the early 1900s due to a string of severe storms and hurricanes. It appears that the 33 storm was the last straw. There were somewhere between 12 and 15 families living on different parts of the Hog Island hammocks at one time, and a few general stores to boot. The population count was as high as 200 in its heyday. The only noticeable signs of life on the island now are wildlife and local Cedar Island cattle such as bulls, cows, and horses. There's something about an abandoned place that makes us feel insignificant and intrigued at the same time. We are also reminded that change is just around the corner. If it's not happening now, just wait.